Hi, my name is Zach Seltz, and I'm an inside account manager at Zebra Technologies in the Inside Sales Hub in downtown Chicago. As an inside account manager, we are responsible for our named account list of strategic mid market accounts that are in designated verticals. I'm in the manufacturing vertical, but I also have coworkers that are in the retail and healthcare verticals, and those verticals are expanding as our team grows. As an inside account manager, what we are designated to do is build these relationships with those accounts and really dive into them, address their pain points, and really provide a solution from a Zebra perspective from our portfolio, which is absolutely vast and deep and is a tall order for those end users to just navigate on themselves. So, being that resource from Zebra, being that main line of communication where we can identify, hey, we've got something for this problem, is really where we get to step in and be strategic with these accounts. What we also end up doing is, because historically these mid-market accounts have not had this level of involvement from Zebra, is we get to really build these books of business from our relations that we get to build from the ground up with these end users. Where historically we've been reactive with these ones, we get to proactively start getting ahead of these accounts by outreaching to them and really driving the Zebra messaging and what our portfolio can do for them, which are through initiatives that Zebra has launched, such as some of our strategic sales plays and some of our other more targeted personas and what we are really targeting for in these accounts. What that ends up looking like for us on a day-to-day basis is we're spending a lot of time really diving into our accounts and emailing the end users, calling the end users, reaching out to them via social media like LinkedIn, and then eventually setting up meetings with them where we can really dive into what it is that they are, like the pain points, what we can address with them, how we can really provide a solution for them, and really be that total package of just providing all of that information for them. And then what ends up happening is that we have our channel partners that do the reselling of the devices and the final implementation. So once we have established that this is a real opportunity that they want to purchase something, we either identify if they have an existing partner or reseller on this deal. And if they do, we go through that partner and we get the deal done, we make the sale happen. If not, we are responsible through Zebra's guidelines to reach out to our channel partners and identify someone based on the guidelines that we believe is best for this deal and not going to cause any channel conflicts. Then, once that happens, we bring them into the next meeting and we get the sale pending. And from there, it gets deployed and we make the sale happen and we managed it from end to end. For strategic initiatives that our inside sales team has done is we have all been set up with a mentor from our senior sales leadership. We have people that have been in the industries, people that know what we do in and out, and we've all been paired up individually one-to-one with another senior Zebra at the company. What motivates me is that I'm really driven by the fact that this is a first for Zebra. We get to be the first team making an impact from an inside sales perspective for Zebra. And I'm also just driven by the fact that I'm very competitive as a person and sales is a competitive field. And the one thing that you'll find about inside sales is we are like a family. We engage with one another. We all have fun with one another. Our successes are our successes and our losses are our losses. So we all come together as a team and we really are like a work family. And that's something that's true through and through with the rest of Zebra. We are part of a herd here. And really just being able to have that impact has also been a huge factor for me. And then another personal side note is that my dad also worked at Zebra. I want to make my impact here at Zebra and see how I can really grow and expand my own career and see how I can outsell him in the future.